Hello friends, welcome to Magic World TV. Today we have some farm animals, domestic pet animals and this big giant cute cow in our mud ground, and we have a tractor. So we'll be reviewing and washing these animals because our water is ready to wash our muddy animals. So let's learn some farm animals together. Our first farm animal is going to be a goat. A goat. A goat is a very cute farm animal. Goat. Goat. Our next animal is a golden hen. A golden hen can also be kept as a pet at your house. Golden hen. Hen. Our next animal is going to be this baby goat. A baby goat. A cute baby goat. A pig. A pig is a farm animal. Sheep. 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 Next animal is a cow. Cow is one of the most social and useful and very beautiful cute animal. It's a farm animal. Cow. A dog. A dog is a farm animal. It is also a domestical pet animal. Dog. A rabbit. A rabbit is a cute farm animal. It is also a pet animal. Rabbit. Goat. A goat is a farm animal. Goat. A sheep, a baba white sheep. Do you like sheep? Sheep is a beautiful, cute, lovable animal. A rooster. A rooster. Horse. Horse is a farm animal as well as a wild animal. They are herbivorous. Very useful and cute animal. Horse. A dog. A dog is one of the most loyal animal. Dog. Donkey. Donkey is a social animal, a farm animal. Donkey. It's time to wash a big cow. A cow. It's a very big, giant farm animal cow. Let's wash our cow and put it in our animal truck. That's it for cleaning our muddy animals today. I hope you had fun watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.